Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Tuesday. And finally, the technical target for $20,900 has already been met. Okay. The question really is this the bottom? Right now, probably a lot of people are going to be thinking that, hey, Bitcoin is at $20,000 finally, and it's time for us to buy Bitcoin and this and that. But in yesterday's video, I actually made a very lengthy discussion about how this might not be the bottom just yet. But anyways, right now, what I'm going to say is that there could be a little bit of a pause here. Yesterday, it actually talked about how Bitcoin can, go back to $25,000 probably before going down. So I was expecting it to actually go up a little bit because we were finding support at the 1.618. But I told you, if it starts to lose that level, then it's going to go even way more down. So on the Discord, I actually mentioned if Bitcoin does go below $22,500, if it get lost, then you're looking for Bitcoin to make some sweep to the downside as well. So on the daily here, we actually do have three black rows right now. So 3 candles back to back. These are known as 3 black rows, and it's a continuation pattern. And then we saw it being a big effect and making the prices fall down here. Some of the altcoins didn't drop very badly, even though Bitcoin came down to 20,000 like this. And I think this is an amazing time to actually start to dollar cost average. I don't know, but no one knows where the bottom really is. It might be even right now. It might be right now. It can even be something down to 17K. But I will just keep on dollar cost averaging at this point of time. This is like once in a lifetime kind of opportunity price you are getting for Bitcoin. You might never even get Bitcoin again at these prices in the next coming future, by the way. All right, so enough is enough. Right now, we are down at the 20,777. Now, it really does make sense for Bitcoin to go to $19,000 as well, because if you do go to $19,000, that would actually be the last swing high for Bitcoin, okay? So I'm looking for something like this here, okay? So if I actually do bring in the trend line, on the daily, I'm talking about this level right over here, this level here, okay? That's where you do have the big support right now, $19,600, okay? So if anything, on a monthly time frame, if you start to go down, it could be a very quick wick to the downside to 15K, 16Ks, and then you start to move to the upside. Now, resistance number 1 was broken, just as I told you before. Look at this, one touch there, second touch here, third one, fourth one, breakout, close, bang to the downside. The same is going to apply for 19,000 as well. What I mean is, if you're not going to be bouncing off this area and then you go down a little bit and then you start to close below it, then you're looking for Bitcoin to still continue with the downtrend, which means that it's going to be essential for Bitcoin, even if it has to come to 19K, to hold the 19K to push to the upside, okay? It must hold that level of support. And that's it for this quick